Hey loves, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Rice Krispie Easter eggs. Spring is coming up, spring break, and you need something that's kid friendly and fun to make at home. So I hope you enjoy this special treat that I have. It's so easy to make. If it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I post a video. I hope you enjoy this special treat. Let's get started. I'm starting off with some melted marshmallows. I melted them in the microwave. I used the recipe from the Rice Krispie box, or you can use the recipe on the marshmallow bag. It's just melting butter and marshmallows. Next, I'm adding some gel food coloring. Add whatever color you want your Rice Krispie eggs to be. I split the recipe in half so I could color the marshmallows into two different colors. But make sure you add enough color because I feel like I could have added more pink and green so my eggs would be a darker color. After coloring the marshmallows, add the Rice Krispies. Please go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't. It really helps out my channel. Now make sure you wash your plastic eggs really good. And I'm gonna say this right now. If you are triggered by people not wearing gloves and handling food, you might as well click off this video. But really, I washed my hands very well. Now to shape the eggs, you will stick them in the plastic eggs. My advice would be to rub butter in the inside of the shell and onto your hands to reduce the stickiness. I decided to stuff some of the inside of the eggs with one robin egg candy, and so I made a little indentation to add the candy and push the two sides of the egg together. You can put any type of candy you want in these. I do have some cake and cookie tutorials that you can check out if you are interested. Also, if you have watched this video to the end, comment the word Easter. That will let me know that you stayed for the whole video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free to do and it helps out my channel. See you in the next one.